Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to change the user's password in AlmaLinux. To change the user's password, you can use passwd command. But first, let's get our users list with cat command from etc passwd file. You can see the user lists and we have a user named John here. We want to change John's password. Now let's change it with sudo privileges. Sudo passwd command and our username. This command prompts you to enter a new password for John, but first we need to enter our sudo user password. You will need to enter the new password twice for confirmation. Successfully changed. We should verify that the password has been changed successfully with switching user to John. Let's enter our new password for John. If you can log in with the new password, it means the change was successful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Linux administration videos. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.